What's up, everybody? Dre Hall here with another Newbies on Fire review. So the question of the day is, can Newbies on Fire help you get results in your other business opportunities? Well, Newbies on Fire, it's a marketing product. All right, here's the products.
New figures show the median income.
Now, when you're growing an online business, you're going to come across business owners like myself they're not shy to the internet marketing industry. These products can help you get results. So if you start providing these products and building a team based around the Newbies on Fire product, can you bring these people into your other business opportunity? Absolutely. Branding course right here, the starter training course, is what I recommend a lot of people start with. Get the hang of branding online, and understand your value to the marketplace, because once you have this product and you have people that are building businesses, using attraction marketing techniques such as establishing a brand online, you're going to have some powerful business builders inside your organization. So the actual product: branding for the starter course, how to find buyers, lead gen workshop for basic level members, Facebook chat mastery for advanced level members, product creation, MP domination, customer retention for elite level members, Google Analytics, Zapier automation, SendGrid Beast, that's for diamond level members. So Newbies on Fire, you can earn 100% commissions on each of these packages: the starter package, the basic package, the advanced package, the elite package, and the diamond package. This video right here, let's play it real quick.
Fell last year to its lowest level since 1995. We go back to the year.
Let's hear that one more time.
New figures show the median income of American households fell last year to its lowest level since 1995.
Okay. 53,000 in 2014. So what tools do you get inside the Newbies on Fire? You actually get access to a suite of tools. These are basic tools that every marketer needs. So if you know people in this industry that are struggling, chances are they don't have this set of tools. Pre-built capture pages. What this allows you to do is compete at an industry standard and start collecting leads that are related to making money online. These are prospects, and these are leads you'll be able to carry with you over to your new business opportunities when you expand, right? It's a done for you system. You start with a capture page, a simple page like this. This capture page is yours once you get started. It's already built for you. You select your username and it gets built out. So how does the capture page work? You enter your name, email, etc. Now you go over to watch a presentation, right? You can see right here, right, it says I'm the sponsor. So people actually are able to sign up with your business or my business from the moment that you get started. You're in a position to start providing the Newbies on Fire package and start using the tools to collect leads. You got a couple different funnels in here. Another tool is the broadcast. This is when you start collecting leads. You'll be able to email all your leads all at once. Try this paid traffic source, unlimited traffic. We'll go ahead and continue with, these tools can help grow your business drastically. Imagine being able to send out one email and know it makes its way into over 10,000 Gmail inboxes, right? That's a powerful tool. Get your newbies on fire sets of tools here. We'll take this landing page and then we'll tell them this is the traffic source I am using to send traffic to the system. Okay, so we'll take this right here. We'll go over that too in this video. I'll give you guys a little bit of bonus content. So then we check all and we click send mail, and you see it's going to send out to 57 people. Now your merchant, you set up your own payment processor. How I'm receiving payments is Venmo, Chime, Zelle, Google Pay, SoFi, Western Union, PayPal, and Cash App. Also, any other way, if you guys got a way that's easier for you, just contact me at one of these email addresses. More preferably over on Facebook or a YouTube comment is the easiest way to reach me. So Newbies on Fire, let's go over some personal proof. Right, these green stars mean team members. See, I got team members. Let's show you actual commissions. Right, we'll set this back to 6 months. You can see I've earned $150 with the Newbies on Fire. I've referred over 7 people to Newbies on Fire. You only see 3 of them here, but I'll show you my other team members as well. Pass up sales. That's one thing that we haven't went over in too much detail in this video. What is a pass up sale? So pretty much think of your first 4 sales as your the start of the compensation plan. Your odd sale you keep, your even sale you pass up, your odd sale you keep, your even sale you pass up. Then you're qualified. Now you don't pass up no more on the starter package. That's exactly what I've achieved here. So now Kia and Xavier, they're passed to my sponsor Jose. Jose helps them as well as me, and when they make their second and fourth sale, right, they pass up their second and fourth sale to Jose. I lose this leverage because I gain leverage. The only reason I'm losing this is because the way the compensation is set up is for me to gain leverage. So these 2 people, essentially, when they promote Newbies on Fire, they're going to be building Jose's business, whether he's sleeping, working, or doing whatever. This is 2 extra manpower to the Newbies on Fire business. Now, why do we do this? For the leverage. Jose, I passed these sales up to him while he was asleep. He worked hard to get me on his team, right? He worked hard to qualify. He passed up his sales as well. This is part of his reward. You pass up 2 sales, but you could receive unlimited pass ups. Roll ups, we don't have none of those. Basic training course. You see, I have 1 member that got started for $100. 1 member that I passed up, they got started for $100. So how are everyone else doing? You can see Kelly and Jonathan, $4,425. These are top marketers, guys. They're a part of this community. You get access to a lot of us when you join the community, and it only costs $30 to get started. You see several people on here earning 4 figures, 5 figures, 26,000 so far in 7 weeks for Adriana. This is a 6-figure business model. This is a 7-figure business model. It can be, what do you bring to the table? How much of an influence can you be to average, ordinary people to help them get results in their Newbies on Fire business? So thank you guys for watching this far. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. It allows you to get notifications from me. Which means when I respond to you, you'll see the notifications and things of that nature. So the lead source, 59 extra clicks. I get 100 new leads a day. These numbers only go up. So starting any business off right, you're gonna need leads. Now, if you have an online marketing business, my lead gen secret, I have a video on my channel where I go over my lead gen secret. It's called How I Grew My List by 707 Days. Go ahead and go check that video out. You can get started with Newbies on Fire by clicking below. You'll need $30. My payment processors, I'm accepting Venmo, Chime, Zelle, Google Pay, SoFi, Western Union, PayPal, Cash App, and Bitcoin. If you guys need help getting started, right, come message me on Facebook, facebook.com/selfmadedre95, or send me a message on YouTube, and I help you get started. Now, after you get started, message me so I can send you over my bonuses. You get bonuses from my other team members that provided me bonuses when I got started. I have some pretty dope websites to give away to the next 5 people that watch this video and decide to take action. Right, you're gonna get access to a bonus website that converts. I'll see you guys on the next video.